Hello everyone, welcome back to today's topic of the day. Today we'll be discussing about the right to privacy of the celebrities. Now the Bollywood actor Alia Bhatt on Tuesday turned to Instagram to express her outrage at the invasion of privacy after a few photographers snapped her images while she was inside her home. Now let's understand the Right to Privacy Verdict 2017. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India 2017 verdict is also known as Right to Privacy Verdict. It is a landmark decision of the Supreme Court of India which holds that the right to privacy is protected as a fundamental right under Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India. A 9-judge bench unanimously held that the right to privacy is protected as an intrinsic part of the right to life and personal liberty under Article 21 and as a part of the freedoms guaranteed by Part 3 of the Constitution. It explicitly overrules previous judgments of the Supreme Court in Kharag Singh versus State of UP and MP Sharma versus Union of India, which held that there is no fundamental right to privacy under the Indian Constitution. Now, the judgment clearly settled the position of law and clarified that the right to privacy could be infringed only when there was a compelling state interest for doing that. This position was same as with the other fundamental rights. Now, what is right to be left alone? In the case of Ram Jethmalani versus Union of India 2011, the Supreme Court of India stated that it is important that human beings be granted realms of freedom that are devoid of public observation unless they act in an unlawful manner. The right to be left alone has also been established by the US judiciary as privacy. Now, what is stalking? In India, such an invasion as seen in Alia's case may also be identified as stalking by someone. Stalking is defined in the Indian Penal Code under Section 354D. It is defined as the continuous and repeated following of someone with the goal of creating harm or terror to the person being followed or engaging in conduct directed towards another person that serves no legitimate purpose and gravely alarms, irritates or intimidates that person. The act of stalking is now a cognizable, bailable and non-compoundable offence under the Criminal Amendment Act of 2013. For the first offence, up to 3 years in prison and a fine. For the second offence, up to 5 years in prison and a fine. Now, if we talk about the publicity rights, the right to exploit the economic value of an individual's name and renown is known as the publicity right as per a report by Legal Services India. To assert this right, it must be demonstrated that fame is a type of merchandise, that is an act meant to promote the sale, popularity of a commodity or an activity. As a result, if someone leverages a celebrity's renown to advertise his wares, it is considered an unfair trade practice, misuse of the celebrity's intellectual property, passing off and so on. Now that was a little bit about the topic. Let's take a practice question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. In Puttaswamy versus Union of India 2017, the Supreme Court of India held that the right to privacy is protected as a fundamental right under Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India. Statement 2. Stalking is defined in Indian Penal Code under Section 354D. Now, which of the statements given above is or are correct? You may take a moment and give your answer in the comment section below. Now the correct answer is C, that is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. I hope you liked the video and found the information useful. You may also check out our daily current affairs section on our website, and for more such videos, stay tuned to Next IAS YouTube channel.